you ready to experience the ultimate off-road adventure? The all-new 2026 Honda TRX350 is here, and it's redefining what an ATV can do. Welcome back to Wheelwise Joe, where we bring you the latest and greatest in off-road machines. And today, we're diving deep into Honda's newest powerhouse. The 2026 TRX350 isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution in the four-wheeler world. Honda has taken everything riders love about the TRX series and pushed it further with improved performance, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched durability. Under the hood, you'll find a refined 348 cubic centimeters engine that delivers smoother acceleration and more responsive handling than ever before. Whether you're climbing steep trails or cruising over rocky terrain, the TRX 350 gives you the confidence and control to tackle anything nature throws your way. One of the standout features of the 2026 model is its enhanced suspension system. Honda has completely re-engineered the front and rear suspension to absorb bumps, rocks, and jumps with ease, giving riders a smoother, more comfortable ride even in the harshest conditions. Add to that a stronger chassis, and you've got an ATV that feels stable, solid, and incredibly agile. But performance isn't the only thing Honda focused on. The TRX 350 now comes with updated ergonomics designed for rider comfort during long rides. The seat is shaped for better support, the handlebars are repositioned for improved control, and the footrests have been widened to give you a more natural, secure riding stance. Every detail has been thought through to make sure you spend less time adjusting and more time enjoying the trail. Safety and reliability remain top priorities as well. Honda's engineers have included features like enhanced braking performance, a reinforced frame, and high-traction tires that grip even the trickiest surfaces. It's clear that the 2026 TRX 350 isn't just about speed. It's about giving you a safe, controlled, and thrilling ride every single time. If you're looking for a versatile ATV that can handle weekend adventures, tough trails, or just exploring the great outdoors, the new Honda TRX 350 is a game changer. Honda continues to prove why they're leaders in the ATV market with this bold, innovative model. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to ride, explore, and dominate every trail with the 2026 Honda TRX 350. Don't forget to subscribe to Wheelwise Joe for more in-depth reviews, updates, and everything ATV related. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest machines hitting the off-road world.